How to change Instagram story from close friend to everyone. Now all we have to do is to tap on our story right here and click on camera. Now once we're on camera, we just have to capture one video or a picture as well. Let's say a video right here. And then we can share this to everyone or our close friends. It's right here. And we can add several people to our close friends list. Once that's done, we just have to share. And we will be able to see our Instagram story that is catered only to our close friends. However, if we want to change our Instagram story from close friends to everyone, all we have to do is to tap on our story right here, click on this more, and then click on story settings. Now we just have to click on this close friends right here. One way to do this is to select everyone and every follower you have for them to be able to see your Instagram story. However, if you don't want to do that, all you have to do is to clear everyone out of your close friends list and hit done. Now you just have to go back and click on more again. Now you just have to save the video. Let's say right here. Now once you've saved that to your camera roll, all you have to do is to go to your story and click the video right now. The next thing to do is to tap on this button right here and share this to everyone. There. So that's how to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. Hope we help.